to make me a mishmash. Okay, grab a matzo ball. Make sure you grab with this hand so the camera can see. Grab a matzo ball. This is have you had mishmash?
No.
Okay, do you know what it is?
Like
It's like everything soup, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Just you put like everything in it.
2 crep blocks, scoop of rice, scoop of noodles, scoop of kasha. Use this hand so the camera can see you. So what grade are you guys in?
We're juniors.
Here's how you hold the ladle properly. Let go.
Sorry.
No, I'm just showing
I'm
you.
not great with my hands.
Yes, you are. Look, if you hold it like this,
Yeah.
try holding with your thumb and your finger.
Yeah. Should I do another scoop?
Yeah, of course. Hold it with this thumb. For now, try it. Much easier, right? More leverage.
A lot easier.
Yes. Okay. We also have mushroom barley. We've got sweet and sour cabbage, tomato basil. We've got butternut squash. We got cream of wild mushroom. Any soup you want. Come on over here. Yeah, come on over. Okay. Now we're gonna make the avocado toast. So.